Today I'm going to be showing you how I turned this film positive into 2 stencils, which I then turned into this fun fall, easy to do decor sign. So keep watching.
So the first thing I did was print my design on an 11 by 17 piece of inkjet film, and then I cut my design in half and made 2 separate stencils. And I will link a video below on exactly how to make IKONART stencils. Then I removed the carrier sheet, and I'm just going to place this design where I want it on my board. And one of the great things about IKONART stencils is that they are easily repositionable, so I can lift them up and move them around if the first time I lay it down, if it's not in the exact spot that I want. It's very easy to just lift up and put back down. So in order to do this sign, I am going to be using multiple different colors of chalk paste. And when you're working with chalk paste, you want to work really quickly. It dries pretty fast, so you don't want to leave it sitting on your stencil, because then it will dry in the mesh, and when you lift up your stencil, it will come off with your stencil if it dries in the mesh. So what I'm doing is just doing one color at a time, then lifting up my stencil, and then just continuing to my next color. And this method works really great when you want to add a bunch of colors to one sign. So as you can see, I'm just repeating this over and over with the different colors that I want. And I am using Tucker Trade Company chalk pastes. They sell these great little 6-pack minis that are perfect for just trying out the chalk paste, or if you want to just add a pop of color to your standard chalk paste. She sells these seasonal color packs, and I just love them for projects like this. You barely need any chalk paste when you are doing a project like this. As you can see, I just put the chalk paste over my stencil design and then scrape off the extra and put it back in the container to reuse it. So you hardly use any chalk paste. These minis are the perfect way to just kind of test out colors or test out the chalk paste just to see what you like. So this sign is a metal sign that I got from a local hobby shop, and I am using the blue stencils on it because the purple would be a little too sticky and it would be difficult to kind of lift up each time like this. So the blue works perfect on metal surfaces like this. So I'm just gonna finish up with my last color. And now I'll just remove my stencil completely to reveal my nice crisp edges. Looks great.
So there you have it, a super easy sign you can make in just a couple minutes. And the great thing about using the chalk paste is that at the end of the season, I could just take water, a rag, wipe this off, and put a brand new design on this sign. So if you want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.